Hello, today I'm going to show you why it's important to do an oil change on your vehicle. First, you pop your cap loose, loosen your oil filter. I always make sure to kind of give it a little shake of your vehicle and make sure it's lifting properly. Then we can go. I'm popping off the drain plug to drain the oil. Now it's important to do your oil change every 5 to 6 months and every 5,000 miles to improve performance and longevity of your engine, and then it also prevents any unnecessary repairs. Visit us today to come get your oil change.